Hey, I'm Uyi Abraham. I have some exciting news for you today. I want to give you an opportunity for you to own your own tax office next year by partnering with my tax office. As you know, it takes a lot of work, a lot of paperwork, and all the legal requirements to open your own tax office. But I thought, what about if I made it so easy and simple for you to be in tax business next year by just partnering with my tax office, Restoration Tax Services. And so one of the good things about this is that you can use my tax name or your tax name, and we're going to provide a software for you to use, and training, marketing, technical support, and everything you need from A to Z. Of course, the coaching as well. Everything you need from A to Z to start your own tax preparation business. Now, you need to jump in right now. So, and go to my website, taxmoney.org, www.taxmoney.org, and sign up for this program. It's a partnership. It's kind of like a franchise, but it's not a franchise. There's no franchise fee or anything like that, because I want you to be successful in business in this next season. So I want to make it so easy and affordable for you to be in business next year so you can maximize your tax revenue. So go right now to www.taxmoney.org and sign up for this business partnership program, and let's be in business together. Let's serve people together, and let's make money together. I'll see you right there. taxmoney.org.